생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 관광지에서 입장권을 구매하며 운영 시간을 문의할 때
Hi, is admission still open for today?
Yes, admission is open until 5 p.m.
Great. Where is the ticket booth?
It's just down this path, next to the exit.
Do you offer any group or senior discounts?
Yes, we offer discounted fees for both groups and seniors.
Perfect. We're a group of 8, including 2 seniors.
Please join the queue at the booth, and a guide will assist you.
Do you have any brochures or maps available?
Yes, you'll find brochures and visitor information at the counter.